In a world where possibilities seem limitless, the idea of shaping our own reality is more captivating than ever. Quantum physics, a realm often considered complex, holds the key to understanding how we can navigate through different versions of our existence. Imagine a technique that combines the principles of quantum mechanics to unlock the potential for manifesting your dreams. This is the world of quantum leaping, a fascinating method that allows individuals to leap between parallel realities, altering the fabric of their own existence. Quantum physics, the science that explores the behavior of matter and energy at the most fundamental levels, introduces a mind-bending concept: the ability to shift between different realities. Traditional physics views the world as a fixed and predictable place, but quantum mechanics challenges this perception. At the heart of this quantum mystery lies the observer effect, a phenomenon that raises eyebrows and prompts contemplation. Imagine a world where the mere act of observing something changes its very nature. This strange idea is not pulled from the pages of science fiction, but rather from the intricate dance of subatomic particles. The observer effect suggests that the act of observation can influence the outcome of an experiment. To delve into its origins, we must turn our gaze to the early 20th century when quantum mechanics was still in its infancy. Pioneering physicists like Niels Bohr, Werner Heisenberg, and Erwin Schrödinger were grappling with the perplexing behavior of particles on the quantum scale. One cornerstone of the observer effect finds its roots in the famous Heisenberg uncertainty principle, formulated by Werner Heisenberg in 1927. This principle states that certain pairs of properties, such as an object's position and momentum, cannot both be precisely determined simultaneously. The more accurately we measure one of these properties, the less accurately we can know the other. This inherent uncertainty laid the groundwork for the idea that observation itself plays a crucial role in defining a particle's properties. The observer effect became more apparent with the advent of the double-slit experiment, an iconic demonstration of the strange behaviors exhibited by particles like electrons. In this experiment, particles are fired through two slits toward a screen. Surprisingly, even when particles are sent through one at a time, an interference pattern emerges on the screen as if the particles are interfering with themselves. This peculiar result sparked a cascade of questions about the nature of particles and the role of the observer. The breakthrough came when physicists realized that the act of measurement or observation collapsed the particle's wave function, determining its position or other properties. The wave function is a mathematical description that represents the probability of finding a particle in a particular state. Before measurement, particles exist in a superposition of states, meaning they can be in multiple states simultaneously. However, when observed, the wave function collapses, forcing the particle into a single definite state. This realization challenged the classical view that the world exists independently of our observations. It implied that reality, at least on the quantum level, is inherently subjective and shaped by the act of observation. The observer effect suggests that the act of measurement is not a passive recording of pre-existing properties, but an active participation in defining those properties. The observer effect doesn't only pertain to the world of quantum physics. Its implications extend into broader philosophical and metaphysical realms. Some argue that this phenomenon hints at the malleable nature of reality itself. If our observations can influence the outcome of experiments at the quantum level, could it be possible that our perceptions shape the reality we experience in everyday life? Plato, the ancient Greek philosopher, once asserted that reality is created by the mind. This age-old wisdom takes on a new light in the context of quantum physics, where the observer's role becomes paramount in defining the nature of reality. To understand the connection between Plato's philosophy and quantum jumping, it's essential to delve deeper into who Plato was and how his ideas have resonated through the ages. Born around 428 BC in Athens, Plato was a student of Socrates and the teacher of Aristotle. His philosophical dialogues, written in the form of conversations between Socrates and other characters, laid the groundwork for Western philosophy. Plato's philosophical journey was marked by a relentless pursuit of knowledge and truth. One of his most significant contributions was the theory of forms or ideas. According to Plato, the physical world we perceive is merely a shadow or imperfect reflection of a higher realm of eternal and unchangeable forms. These forms, he believed, are the true reality, and the material world is a transient and flawed manifestation of these perfect archetypes. The allegory of the cave, found in Plato's work, The Republic, further illustrates his ideas. In this allegory, prisoners are chained in a dark cave facing a wall where shadows are cast by objects behind them. The prisoners perceive these shadows as reality because they have never seen the actual objects causing the shadows. Plato used this metaphor to highlight the distinction between the world of appearances, the shadows, and the world of true knowledge, the objects casting the shadows. Plato's emphasis on the primacy of the mind and the quest for a deeper, more real reality aligns with the principles of quantum jumping. Quantum jumping, as a technique rooted in the fusion of quantum mechanics and the law of attraction, becomes a practical tool for those seeking to harness the power of their thoughts in shaping their existence. Quantum jumping, or leaping, is a manifestation technique that combines the principles of quantum mechanics and the law of attraction to refine the process of creating our own reality. It posits that by consciously shifting our focus and intentions, we can traverse between parallel realities, each with its unique energy signatures and possibilities. One such philosophy that resonates with the principles of quantum jumping is Vedanta, a school of thought rooted in ancient Indian wisdom. Vedanta, which means the end of the Vedas, or the culmination of knowledge, is derived from the ancient Indian scriptures known as the Vedas. It serves as the philosophical foundation of Hinduism and emphasizes the unity of the individual soul, Atman, with the universal consciousness, Brahman. This philosophy delves into the nature of reality, the self, and the interconnectedness of all existence. In the context of quantum jumping, Vedanta provides a fascinating perspective on the concept of multiple realities. According to Vedanta, the material world we perceive is an ever-changing illusion, Maya, and the true reality lies beyond the tangible and transient aspects of existence. The ancient seers and sages who propounded Vedanta posited that the universe is a projection of the cosmic mind and our individual minds are interconnected with this universal consciousness. In quantum jumping, the idea of shifting between parallel realities aligns with the Vedantic understanding of the multiplicity of experiences within the overarching unity of consciousness. The ancient philosophy suggests that our perception of reality is subjective and can be altered through a shift in consciousness. Vedanta encourages individuals to transcend the limitations of the material world and recognize the underlying unity that connects all dimensions of existence. The practice of meditation plays a crucial role in Vedanta, serving as a tool to quiet the mind and uncover the profound truths that lie beyond the surface of everyday experiences. Similarly, in quantum jumping, individuals often engage in meditative practices to enhance their focus, raise their vibrational frequencies, and align themselves with the desired reality they aim to manifest. Vedanta also introduces the concept of neti-neti, which means not this, not this. This negation process encourages seekers to identify and discard the illusions of the material world, leading them closer to the realization of their true nature. In the context of quantum jumping, practitioners may adopt a similar approach by letting go of limiting beliefs and acknowledging that the current reality is not fixed but can be transformed through conscious intention. The synergy between quantum jumping and Vedanta finds another resonant partner in the contemporary concept known as the law of attraction. The law of attraction, popularized in recent times, asserts that like attracts like, and the energy we emit into the universe through our thoughts and feelings shapes the reality we experience. This modern philosophy shares common ground with both quantum jumping and Vedanta, forming a triad of interconnected principles that offer profound insights into the nature of reality and conscious manifestation. At its core, the law of attraction encourages individuals to recognize the power of their thoughts and emotions in influencing the events and circumstances of their lives. This aligns with the quantum principle that consciousness plays a fundamental role in shaping the outcome of quantum events. Similarly, Vedanta emphasizes the importance of understanding and mastering the mind to realize one's true nature beyond the illusions of the material world. In the context of quantum jumping, the law of attraction becomes a pivotal component. Quantum jumping posits that by shifting our focus and intentions, we can move between parallel realities. The law of attraction in this framework acts as the bridge between intention and manifestation. It asserts that the energy we emit when we set a specific intention aligns us with the vibrational frequency of the reality we desire to experience. Vedanta, the law of attraction, and quantum jumping together form a holistic approach to conscious creation. Vedanta guides individuals to recognize their intrinsic connection to the universal consciousness. The law of attraction emphasizes the power of focused intention, and quantum jumping provides a framework for navigating the multitude of potential realities. Practical application of the law of attraction within the context of quantum jumping involves cultivating a heightened sense of awareness and mindfulness. Individuals are encouraged to pay attention to their thoughts and emotions, ensuring they are in alignment with the desired reality they wish to experience. By doing so, they tap into the quantum realm where possibilities are vast and malleable. Visualization, a commonly used technique in both quantum jumping and the law of attraction, plays a pivotal role in this amalgamation of philosophies. Vedanta, too, recognizes the potency of mental imagery in transcending the illusions of the material world. The process involves vividly imagining and feeling the desired reality as if it is already a present and tangible experience. This not only influences the individual's consciousness but also, according to quantum principles, collapses the probability wave into a defined reality. Moreover, the law of attraction reinforces the importance of gratitude in the manifestation process. Vedanta echoes this sentiment by emphasizing the acknowledgement of the interconnectedness of all things. Practitioners of quantum jumping therefore incorporate gratitude into their practice as a way to attune themselves to the positive energies of the universe and enhance their ability to shift between parallel realities. By incorporating quantum jumping into their lives, individuals can leverage its power to manifest their desires. This technique serves as a bridge between intention and reality, offering a methodical approach to shaping the outcomes we desire through conscious shifts in focus and belief. Quantum jumping empowers individuals to become active participants in the creation of their own destiny. The concept of infinite realities as proposed by quantum jumping resonates with the philosophical musings of renowned thinkers who contemplated the expansive nature of existence. The notion of infinite realities is not a new concept in the realm of philosophy and metaphysics. It aligns with the idea that our universe is but one among countless others, each unfolding with its own unique set of circumstances. Quantum jumping takes this philosophical idea and transforms it into a practical tool, allowing individuals to explore and manifest within the infinite possibilities that exist. Alchemy, an ancient philosophical and proto-scientific tradition, provides an intriguing parallel to the modern concept of quantum jumping. Rooted in mysticism, alchemy sought to transform base metals into gold and discover the elixir of life. However, beyond the literal interpretations, alchemy held a deeper spiritual significance, an allegory for personal transformation and enlightenment. In the alchemical tradition, practitioners worked with symbols and archetypes, aiming to transmute the lead of their own existence into the gold of spiritual awakening. The philosopher's stone, a central symbol in alchemy, represented the catalyst for this transformation. Similarly, quantum jumping acts as a catalyst for personal and spiritual evolution, facilitating shifts in consciousness and the realization of one's full potential. The parallels between quantum jumping and alchemy become even more apparent when exploring the concept of the prima materia, the formless and chaotic substance from which all things are believed to originate. In alchemy, quantum jumping, in its acknowledgement of infinite realities, aligns with the idea that there exists a formless potentiality from which various realities can manifest. In both practices, intention plays a pivotal role. Alchemists understood that the mindset and intentions of the practitioner influenced the outcome of their experiments. Likewise, quantum jumping emphasizes the importance of focused intention and belief in shaping the reality one desires to experience. The alchemical pursuit of the magnum opus, the great work, bears a striking resemblance to the quest for personal transformation and self-realization inherent in quantum jumping. Alchemy, much like quantum jumping, delves into the mysteries of the universe and the interconnectedness of all things. Alchemists believed in the existence of a universal life force, sometimes referred to as the anima mundi, or world soul. This vital force connected everything in existence, mirroring the interconnected web of energies that quantum jumping enthusiasts tap into when navigating the realms of infinite possibilities. In the exploration of consciousness and the potential for personal transformation, the concept of neuroplasticity emerges as a crucial player. Neuroplasticity, also known as brain plasticity or neural plasticity, refers to the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. This phenomenon challenges the previously held notion that the brain structure is fixed and unchangeable after a certain age. At the heart of neuroplasticity is the understanding that the brain is a dynamic organ capable of adapting to experiences, learning, and environmental stimuli. This adaptability extends beyond the physical structure of the brain to encompass changes in neural pathways, synaptic connections, and even the formation of new neurons, a process known as neurogenesis. The interplay between quantum jumping, alchemy, and neuroplasticity reveals a comprehensive approach to personal development. Neuroplasticity serves as the biological underpinning, offering a scientific perspective on the brain's capacity to rewire itself based on thoughts, experiences, and intentional practices. As individuals engage in quantum jumping and alchemical practices, they stimulate various regions of the brain, prompting neuroplastic changes. The brain responds to focused intention, belief, and shifts in consciousness by forging new neural pathways and strengthening existing ones. This neural rewiring aligns with the alchemical concept of transmutation, where the base elements of thought patterns and beliefs are transformed into more refined and elevated states of consciousness. The link between neuroplasticity and quantum jumping becomes even more apparent when considering the role of mindfulness and meditation in both practices. Mindfulness, a key component in many quantum jumping techniques, involves cultivating awareness of the present moment without judgment. This intentional focus on the present not only fosters a sense of clarity and inner peace, but also induces neuroplastic changes in the brain. Synchronicities, often described as meaningful coincidences, play a fascinating role in the tapestry of existence. Much like the interconnected themes of quantum jumping and alchemy, synchronicities underscore the idea that the universe operates on a subtle and profound level of interconnectedness. This phenomenon, attributed to Swiss psychologist Carl Jung, suggests that events in the external world may align with an individual's internal state of mind, creating a sense of meaningful connection between the two. In the realm of quantum jumping, synchronicities serve as signposts or guideposts on the journey through parallel realities. As individuals consciously shift their focus and intentions, the universe responds by orchestrating synchronicities to validate their alignment with a particular reality. This dance between internal intention and external validation echoes the principles of manifestation and the law of attraction, reinforcing the idea that our thoughts and beliefs have the power to shape our lived experience. Jungian psychology proposes that synchronicities arise from the collective unconscious, a shared reservoir of archetypal symbols and experiences that connect all of humanity. In quantum jumping, the collective unconscious takes on a quantum flavor, suggesting that the shared consciousness of all beings contributes to the creation and navigation of parallel realities. Synchronicities then become like cosmic breadcrumbs guiding individuals along the intricate paths of the multiverse. One intriguing aspect of synchronicities is their ability to serve as messages from the universe, offering guidance or confirmation on the journey of self-discovery. In the context of quantum jumping, a series of synchronicities may signal that an individual is on the right track, aligning with a particular reality where their intentions can manifest. These synchronistic occurrences might manifest as repeated numbers, meaningful encounters, or symbolic patterns that hold personal significance. In essence, quantum jumping elevates the practice of manifestation by integrating the principles of quantum physics into the equation, offering a unique perspective on how we attract and manifest our goals and dreams. In the pursuit of manifesting our dreams, quantum jumping emerges as a powerful and innovative technique. By blending the insights of quantum physics with the timeless wisdom that reality is created by the mind, quantum jumping invites us to explore the boundless possibilities that exist within the quantum realm. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.